Hello, I will demonstrate now that the telephone is not having any sound. I will try to play something from YouTube. Volume is max. There is no sound. Unless I am connecting to a Bluetooth speaker, in this case.
Power off. Play by TF card. FM mode. Bluetooth mode.
I'm connecting now. It is connected. And now I'm playing. So, only connected by Bluetooth, it takes out the sound. If I'm turning off the Bluetooth, there is no sound. I'm closing the Bluetooth. It makes a little sound, so there is no sound. Okay. The discharge battery problem, I will show it a little bit later somehow. Thank you. Bye.